So we have another lady here, and it needs some repair, and looks like the stickers are worn, and a little bit of lining and paint here and there. I can't do anything about the funnel. I can do the rest. So let's see what is going on with this lady. First, a little test with the battery. Nothing. I think the motor is dead. So let's find out what's going on with the electric motor. So as you might know, or for those new to the channel, we need to disassemble the entire model, completely disassemble. So let's see what's going on here. A little bit of dirt I can see. So I don't know if this motor is for this lady, but anyways, I'm still hesitating if it's the one for this lady or no. Oh, look at that! There is a lot of dirt. Huh. Okay. So we need to take this out too. The lever, the switch. So in this case, as you can see right here, there is a lot of dirt, so we need to disassemble everything, and probably one of these metal parts is not making contact. Oh no, this electric motor is not good. I think we need to change that one. So here I'm going to do a little test. Let's see how it sounds. Now, I will not recommend this electric motor. We need another one. So first, let's get rid of this and continue with the rest. So let's remove this screw, and we need to remove everything just to... So I think we're gonna wash everything. We need to wash the entire model. Anyways. Also the side roads need some paint. Let me take this out. Okay, now we can wash everything. Okay, here is everything. I tried to do the best I could. Now I wash everything, but this paint needs to go on the lamps. It's not good. Little bit of paint here and there, and look how lady looks. Definitely needs some lining and a little bit of touch up on the gold areas. So anyways, so now remember the electric motor really noisy. That one is not good, so I have here a replacement. Look at the difference. That is much better. So the other one, definitely garbage. So now we are ready to assemble the gearbox. The first thing I used to do is put the electric motor, and then the next is the lever. No, hold on. I need the battery terminal, the contact right here. Now we can pull the lever, and this little piece of plastic that holds it in place. Okay, now the screw right here. Good, excellent. Great. Now let's continue with the other gears. I used to always begin with the inside out, I'm gonna say it. So I'm gonna call it part A, B. B will be the one with the spring. C, this is the complete plastic, and the last one, the D, will be the two side gears. Now we have to add some synthetic grease. This grease is safe for plastics. It's lithium grease. Okay, now the fun part, to put the casing right there. Excellent. And just put the screws on and that's it. Amazing. Okay, now we need to do a little test again. Let it run for let it spin for a few seconds. Okay, now here I add some lining for the lady and a little bit of touch up on the gold areas right there. And let's begin with the assembly of the chassis. Now the first thing, you know, the little weights, the little wheels, front wheels, and the cover. It might look complicated, but it's very easy once you know the parts. Now the wheels, driving wheels, and the gearbox, the entire set. Oh, don't forget the coupling right there. So this model is from a subscriber. I totally forgot who sent it, but I hope he can see that I just fixed his model. This is not a restoration. I'm gonna call it just fix, because I think it's just fix and repair. It's not a complete restoration. So it's working excellent. So here we are ready to put the stickers. I have here the set for lady, and it's pre-cut, just peel and stick, really nice. Cut to the size, excellent. What do you guys think? And the side nameplates. Is it nameplates? I don't know. You let me know in the comments. Now the face. Okay, I almost forgot the side roads right there. Fresh painted side roads. Excellent, excellent. And we are almost done. We'll test again to make sure it's working. Nice. Okay, that's all for today's, guys. That's all for today's again. So please subscribe and don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching, and over and out.